As you guys can tell by the title of the video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys why I chose the S1K over the R1. Oh, yeah, I'm really not surprised, to be honest. So yeah, we'll go get fuel and go get the day started from there. Let's go get fuel and get the video started. Does this pump have a 98? No. Yes, it does. Now, for legal reasons, I have to have my helmet off at a survey here. That's just the rules in Brisbane, maybe across Australia. I don't know, in Sydney I never used to have to do that, to be honest. I could ride in, pump it with my helmet on and walk right in and pay, but now I gotta have everything off, even my clothes. Woo! Man, every time I start it up, it is so crisp. So yeah, pretty much I'm gonna give you guys the rundown of why I actually chose the S1K over the R1. Now, everyone's got their personal preferences at the end of the day, so don't think I'm hating on the R1 for one bit, because the R1 is still an insane leader bike to own. It's just personal preference, and that's why I'm trying to get my point across today. There's a lot of you guys that have been asking me what leader bikes are the best, or should I choose between an S1K or an R1, or choose whatever bike over whatever bike. Alright, you guys get the point. The reason why I'm making this video today is to give you guys my perspective on my S1000RR and why I enjoy riding this thing over any other leader bikes. And trust me, I'm not biased, because I've ridden every leader bike, even an H2. Alright, it's just overall the S1K seems to be my favorite. Now, you guys already know, being that this bike is BMW, it's full of tech. Alright, like the number one reason why I like this bike is because of the tech it comes with. For one, you have your beautiful dash that is super easy to read and so easy to navigate through. I don't know if you guys can see it here, but pretty much my vehicle allows you to see the temperature of your bike, the PSI pressure for each tire, fuel economy, and pretty much your entire journey throughout your ride. It's really cool. And then if you move on to sport, it's pretty self-explanatory. I think it comes with 4 different sport dashes. So you have this one, I don't know if you guys can see, then this one, and this one. Yeah, so sorry, it comes with 3 different sport dashes. They're all pretty cool. Tells you your braking pressure, DTC, how hard you lean and stuff. Tells you the angles down at the bottom, navigation, media, and telephone. All these 3 options you will need to connect your phone to. See what I mean, guys? Like, this bike has so much tech for a motorcycle. BMW did an awesome job. So yeah, on top of the tech as well, this bike is just incredibly fast. It's faster than the R1. You guys don't believe me? Here's a clip. And yeah, there's also a lot of other cool features this bike comes with as well, such as, you know, launch control, pit limiter. Best out of all of them actually is the cruise control. Okay, cruise control, pretty simple. You go to the speed you want and you flick this button over to the right, and that pretty much doesn't set it on, but it's like ready to turn on, okay? After that, you want to hold down on this little thing here, I don't know if you guys can see, and that's it. It sets your speed. That is cruise control, everyone. It's pretty easy. It's one of the best features you can have on a motorbike, especially if you're doing a lot of highway runs. I know for a fact the R1 doesn't have this feature, at least I think so. I'll have to get back to you on that one. This bike also comes with a factory blimper and quick shifter. I'll demonstrate that for you guys now. Pretty much, if you guys don't know, a quick shifter is pretty much you shifting up without the clutch, and the blimper is you shifting down without the clutch. And on top of that, when you blimp down, it actually rev matches for you. I've tried using the clutch to shift up and down. The bike just doesn't seem to like it. It prefers to use the quick shifter and blimper for factory. I guess because it just works better with the actual bike, and it's programmed to actually do that. So yeah, here's the blimper. I'm on 3rd gear now, and I'll show you guys. I'm not touching the clutch. It's literally my foot pressing down, alright? Like, you can hear it drop gears, which is pretty cool. And the quick shifter, of course. I know you guys can get the quick shifter on a lot of bikes these days, but it might not come from factory. You might have to install that as an aftermarket part. So, you know, first gear, riding, yeah, you can hear it. Oh, the pops are nuts on this thing, man. Like, they're so good. Why did I just turn that off? Fuck, my brain is not functioning today. This is about to be the dumbest thing I have ever done. Oh my god, this is all gravel. This is legit a biker's worst nightmare. This entire floor right here. Alright, let's do a walk around. Not much has changed except the front, to be honest. Those indicators right there are from Rizoma. They sit right underneath the front over there, which is super clean and low key as well. Yeah, I'm running the Rizoma mirrors, and on top of that I've got lever guards, which I actually took from the R1, believe it or not. I've got the RPM carbon winglets and the RPM carbon back fender. Also running a full Akrapovic system. The headers are actually still not titanium. I'm a bit upset about that because I've always liked the bluish purple color. And then of course you have your Akrapovic Shorty GP muffler, which is crazy loud. BMW just knows what they're doing, man. What can I say? BMW, bro. Great job on this. That is why I picked this bike. It is just a super... Anyways, that is why I picked this bike. It is all around a insanely smooth bike to ride. The throttle, there is no twitching at all. It's so smooth. Like, I wish you guys could actually just experience this yourselves, but it is just a smooth throttle. It's not twitchy at all. But once you hit that power band, you're hitting the speed of light. Dude, if there's one fucking thing I hate the most, it's got to be helmet hair. We're going to the gym now, but we're taking the R1 out as well, so that's gonna be really fun to do. Actually, I'm just gonna fuck with Josh a bit, because he's like really precious about this bike. So I'm gonna pretend to drop it and get his reaction. All right, so now we're just gonna move the... Oh no! Fuck! What? I just dropped your bike, cunt. Fuck. Josh just installed these new rim stickers. I think they look real mint. I said the next thing he should do is get that in white so it really matches with the tires. But Josh is running a full titanium Akrapovic exhaust. As you can see, the headers are like nice and bluish and purple, like how I want it.
I ride this thing for one day and the fucking rims get that dirty, bro. Look.
Precious.
Look how much dirt is on my thing. Hmm? Oh, yuck, bro. What the hell? I ran over something.
Josh has put a lot of time and effort into installing carbon pieces on this bike. He's got the front piece carbon, side pieces carbon, the tank carbon. I don't see any in the back. I mean, besides the exhaust part, that's carbon. Other than that, that's pretty much it. It's a pretty clean R1, to be honest. But yeah, we're gonna take this out for a spin now. Like I said, I do need to go to the gym. So we'll hit the gym and then give you guys a full in-depth review. So yes, this is 50's R1. 2016 Yamaha R1 with the full system titanium Akrapovic exhaust, and it sounds freaking awesome. I will say this bike is really punchy. It's definitely a whole new ride. That's why I'm trying to get my point across. The S1000RR is a very smooth bike compared to this thing. You ask anyone that actually owns an S1000RR, they'll tell you the same thing. This thing is aggressive, it's punchy, it's not smooth, but like I said, it's personal preference. Some people actually prefer the, you know, woo. Some people prefer the aggressiveness, like, nah, I want to go, you know what I mean? I definitely enjoy riding this. But I like to think long term, you know, like I want to be out riding a lot. I'd rather a comfortable ride like the S1000RR. Hey, if I do ever choose to, you know, have some fun out on the road, I'll definitely pick an R1. I've got heaps of mates who love to share their R1 with me. Move, asshole! Move out of the way, asshole! Jeez. So I'm pretty sure this thing comes factory quick shifter, but not a blimper. I'm not too sure about cruise control and launch control. I didn't really ask Swifty about that, but he just told me there's like an A mode, a B mode, and a C mode. Pretty much that's like equivalent to my S1K. The S1K has a Race Pro 1, Race Pro 2, Race Pro 3, Race Pro 4, and of course it has all the other goodies like, you know, road riding, rain, and dynamic, all the goodies. Coming through, asshole! Holy shit! Oh god, I definitely have a lot more fun on this bike. You know, there was a time I was actually considering selling the Beamer for this, but long term, I don't think I'd enjoy it. Short term, hell yeah, bro. Oh my god, I love this thing, bro. So fucking crazy how punchy this bike is, man. This thing wants to move. Like this thing wants, is that a Lambo? Ah yeah, it's a Lamborghini. I want to race that. You guys reckon I'd win? I'd probably get clapped, to be honest. I'm not the best rider in the world. I just ride bikes. The quick shifter isn't as smooth as my bike. You need a really good kick to get the gears up on this thing. Not the smartest decision in the world. Is this guy really making work for me? Oh, you're so sweet. Oh, you are a legend, mate. You're a legend. Thanks, mate. Good on ya. Yeah, I'm looking at you, boy. Yeah, you see a nice butt come through? Watch that plastic thing fucking hit me. Oh, I don't trust that. Oh, don't you dare. Hey, 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 hey! Oh. I'm on time, baby! Oh my god, this thing is so fast! Oh joy, oi! Woohoo! Proper sport rider. You know, the S1K, the seat's like a bit high. No, the seat's a bit lower. This one's a lot higher. So if you want that like really aggressive look on the road, you know what I mean? You want to look sexy and stuff. Get this, bro! I tell you, get this thing, man. This shit's not normal. Oh my god! Oh, bro. I'll give him that. It does sound good. It sounds incredibly good. Ooh, okay. Just got done with the gym now. Got a little nice ass pump. As promised. Sorry. Ugh. I'll take you guys to like a little secluded area. Give you guys a full rundown of this bike, eh? Alright, I know exact spot to take you guys. Right over here. So yes, like I explained it before, this is the 2016 R1 with a shitload of carbon on it and a full titanium Akrapovic exhaust. Obviously the biggest difference right now is size. The S1K dash is a lot bigger than this. I mean, I've never ridden an R1, so I'm not really familiar with the actual controls and how it works on here. Whereas on my Beamer, I know it really well. So yeah, right now I'm running in B mode, as you guys can see just over there. So there's A mode, B and C. A being the most powerful and C being like the least powerful, I believe. I like to, B mode is just pretty much a good in between.
but I don't think I'll be touching A mode, mainly because I don't want to fucking bin it. But yeah, overall this bike is super punchy and aggressive. It's not really my cup of tea for long-term riding, but if we're talking about short-term, I'll definitely take this thing out for a little spin now and then, maybe for a couple hours, enjoy the ride, because this thing is fun, man. There is no doubt that this R1 is so much fun to ride. I'll turn the bike off because I don't want to kill the battery and be stuck here. But yeah, there's no doubt that this bike isn't the most funnest bike to ride. Overall, I'm still picking the S1000RR over the R1 purely because it's a smoother ride and safer ride. I prefer that over a more aggressive and punchier ride. Don't get me wrong, there's heaps of guys out there that do prefer the more aggressive and punchy ride. So be it. Like if that's your style, then this is the bike for you for sure. But if you want a smoother ride and more comfortable ride, definitely go with an S1000RR, the new gens at least. I actually don't know much about the Gen 3s. I'm not too sure if they're as smooth as the newer ones, but yeah, just let me know down in the comments below if I'm wrong or right actually. So yeah, it's one more little sound test before I head off now and end the video. So yeah, it's pretty fucking loud, don't get me wrong. But yeah, anyways guys, thank you for tuning into this video. I appreciate the support I've received over the past couple months now since I've moved to Brisbane. I'll turn this thing off. But let me know what you guys want to see in the future, because I don't want to make, you know, like the basic riding your bike stuff. You know, I want to make something really engaging and fun for you guys to watch, whether it's like motorbike videos that consist of like pranking other people, or just really engaging with the public, you know what I mean? Like, yeah, don't get me wrong, like riding an R1 and S1000RR is cool for a video, but there's more that people want to see and watch as well. So let me know what you guys want to see, alright? But anyways, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next video.